Okay, so I'm trying right now, going here, grab this file, and it doesn't work. Or this file actually, and it doesn't work. Well, to fix this, what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna have to go here to preferences, and here in libraries, as you can see, we don't have this library, so we're gonna have to download this. So click on this download. I already opened this, so I can have done some research, and you know, now what you're gonna have to do is to click on this download the ffmpeg installer. Click on here, and they do actually have the good part here, they do actually have for Mac, for Windows, different operation system. As you see here, you can actually create right away. Can click on Mac OS, click on the download, and then here, as you can see, the download on this page are designed for Audacity and later versions only. Make sure you also you check your version. Maybe it's not the version you want, so in that case, make sure you check the version. And then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna simply click on the download, and then I'm just gonna click on here to open this file, and then click on continue and install, and I'm just have to enter the password. If you're on Linux, you're gonna have to enter the password as well, I believe. And I'll move to trash. And now if I just I'll right click, I'll just close Audacity. I'll open Audacity again. Now hopefully we're gonna have the option to import. So let's try. I have this file here. As you can see, it works without any issue. I hope you found this short tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more, and like this video if you learned something and you found this helpful.